the women have to stay away from placing on themselves perfume. The Messenger ﷺ said that the woman who places perfume on herself and she goes by a group of men and they smell her fragrance, the Messenger ﷺ, he said, she's a zaniyah. She's a zaniyah, she's a zaniyah, the Messenger ﷺ said. She's an adulteress, this woman. So it's very dangerous that the woman comes out that day with a smell to her. And some of the sisters need to be notified and be told that even the deodorant that you use, if it has a smell to it, it takes the ruling of a perfume. You're not allowed to use it. Use something that doesn't have a smell, or even if it does have a smell, that the smell, whenever you put it on, it won't stay on for long, it will go. The deodorant will go, when you go outside it will go, there's no one's going to smell it from you, then that's not a problem. But if the smell is going to carry on with you, and so when you're on the street, everybody can smell it from you, then it's not permissible.